3 things that will save your marriage, especially if you have kids, and no, it is not more date nights. I am terrified of waking up and realizing that we've drifted apart and are basically just roommates managing a daycare. I do not want that to happen, so here are 3 things that you can do about it. The first one is a family meeting or quick check-in at the end of the day. What this looks like for Corinne and myself is once the kids are asleep, we do a quick check-in, evaluate how the day went, and then speak about the next day and anything that needs to happen for tomorrow and areas that we can improve. The next one is no corporate speak. This is something that I was guilty of. I would use terms that I learned from corporate like alignment and OKRs and grit and determination. And that terminology doesn't really work in a marriage relationship. I think it's more about authentic communication. I'll add an additional one, which is do not sound like ChatGPT. I am also guilty of this, which is maybe the other partner is saying a list of things and then you're just responding, yes, I can do that. I can absolutely do that. But you're not thinking through actually doing those things. You're just speaking. You're not then translating that into direct action. And so that's a key pitfall that can happen very easily. Number 3 is doing 1 to 2 chores first thing in the morning. This goes such a far way. It's such a simple thing. It takes 5 to 20 minutes, yet it makes all the difference in how the day will proceed. Doing a load of dishes, doing a load of laundry, doing some light surface cleaning really helps set the mood for the rest of the day. Last thing, just to wrap everything up, the thing that I've been learning a lot recently is around trying to tap into what I think of as authentic communication. So really trying to understand and get to what the source of the friction is. And sometimes you need to say uncomfortable things, maybe something that might offend the other partner. But in doing that, sometimes you can work through what the source of the issue might be. And that has been a really wonderful learning process for myself and something that's really helped strengthen our relationship, especially as we've transitioned from not having kids to having kids. This has set a whole new challenge for our relationship that we're learning and working through. Lastly, I'm curious if there's one thing that you've done in the past that has been super successful for your marriage. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.